Hey guys, welcome to Betty's Cooking Channel. Today I'm going to prepare for you some ranch pork chops. You can use this ranch seasoning dressing on any type of protein. So let me get started, okay? Okay, I have the pork chops laid out, and here's the seasoning here. This is 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of paprika. So I'm gonna add the ranch seasoning dressing in the plate, and I'm gonna mix it all up, okay? I'm gonna mix it now, okay? I'm gonna get the pork chops coated in this seasoning. And this is a quick and easy recipe. You could do it in the morning, or you could do it when you come home from work. It will take probably less than 30 minutes to cook this in the air fryer. It's gonna take less than 30 minutes to cook these pork chops in the air fryer. You can add black pepper to this if you like. This is quick and easy. Okay, let's get them in a preheated oven at 400 degrees for about 30 minutes, okay? We'll check on them halfway. I just added a little water to the bottom of the tray, and I'm gonna add some pepper. Okay. All right, let me place them in the preheated oven for 30 minutes. Okay, here's the pork chops. The pork chops cook for 30 minutes. After 15 minutes, I turn them over.